your home, and you'll be the talk of the town. Oh, one fine day we'll meet once more, 'cause you will start to see your equity soar. One fine day you're gonna want me to sell your home, just like these fine folks, yo. Hey neighbors, thanks so much for watching my video. If you liked what you just saw, please click the link below and subscribe. If you've got a wish of selling your home in the Central Florida area, reach out today. I would love to be your realtor of choice. And a special shout out to the American Sirens and also John and Sarah, the owners of the Johnny Rockets at the Mall of Millennia. You guys are awesome and I appreciate you guys. Thanks a lot, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Let's go, yo!